Okay, hello everyone. Recently, it was brought to my attention about some stuff regarding BiT, and talking with another person and myself, I figured out, well, he figured out some stuff about BiT, and then I figured out some stuff about BiT, and I'm going to explain why this was a personal decision that I made without consideration with the other people, but I did ban Back in Time and this technique from asyncs, which I don't think anyone's going to be against it. So, to show off what we're doing first, I'm going to make a file. To give credit where credit is due, I'm going to use the person who informed me, well, has been asking me stuff about BiT, their username. We're going to load up into this file. As you can see with this file, starting with Wind Waker, with the sail, this is all I've done. I'm now going to save. I'm not going to continue playing. This would work if you were on console, but we are just going to close out of Dolphin. Going to launch a different ISO. Okay, now that we have our second ISO in, I'm just going to go over here so I can show off. But this is my practice ISO, so I have everything. And now I'm going to go give it to that other file. So how we're going to go about doing that is I'm going to load into file 1. I now am going to perform Back in Time. Now, because of the situation where this file is, the easiest way to do this is going to be to head over to Fire Mountain and just damage down on that. For right now, I do like having BiT banned. I think if we could find some other applications for it, that would still be cool though. So after I finish this, I'm going to show some of the stuff that the person who informed me of all this stuff found. So now that we're at Fire Mountain, we're going to use this to perform BiT. How we're going to do that is you damage down until you're dead, and then we will soft reset after pressing continue. So remember, this file only had the sail and the Wind Waker. We're going to press game over. We are now going to perform BiT, so we're going to save, yes. Would we like to continue playing? Yes. And this is when we press for the restart. So now we have all the items, because we're technically on the main menu. Using a save state, I'll show that. This is what BiT would look like. If I press any other button, it's going to take me out. But before the boat comes in, I have a moment that I can press start. I'm now going to save. I'm not going to continue. And you can see that it's actually overridden the name as well. That's something that I'm really interested in about, but all this stuff is back. I think it's Link because it's the default name. So now I'll just save here. Close out. We'll head back to that original ISO that I was working with. And I have all the items. So that is how you can overwrite file data with Back in Time. I can do this with any file. Whatever file you load in the incorrect ISO and perform BiT on is where it will override things. My best guess for why the name is reset to 0 is because the actual value of Link's name gets overridden. And when it is an undefined string, like when it's just nothing, it defaults to Link. So, that's that.